So, welcome everyone. Today we're going to play Blameless currently, or I think maybe always, I don't know, free on Steam. It's a mystery first-person adventure, solving puzzles and so on. It also looks like you may be hunted. Don't know if you're actually really blameless like the title suggests, but let's play. And it already starts. So, Blameless. Whee! Okay, that font could have been nicer. Sound looks nice. Blameless saves your progress automatically whenever you see this icon. Okay, so I guess I can... Music sounds good. Let's try this.
I'm an architect, freelance, so I take job offers as they arise. So when this guy called me, I was relieved I could finally get a paying job. He said he needed help with interior design for his house that he was building. I always respected people who can do construction, so I naturally agreed to come and take a look. I already had a couple of ideas. It was already quite late, but he insisted on me coming over the same day. I tried to comply because I didn't want to lose this offer. I drove there with my car. His house was all the way over in the suburban area, quite remote, but with other houses nearby, quiet place. The man met me at the front gate. It was a temporary fence, and the gate was made of rotting wooden planks. He started showing me around the yard. It seemed weird that there was a large garbage container blocking the way, so we had to go through the garage to get inside the house. He took me through the rooms, so I started looking around. At one point, I saw a stain, and at first glance it seemed like brick dust. But then I realized it was blood, spilled on the floor. I thought that maybe there was another worker who got injured, so I turned to tell the man. That's when I saw his hand raised to hit me. He was holding a metal rod. Before I could defend myself, he hit me in the head. I must have passed out. I don't know how long I was out. When I woke up...
Okay, that is also a way to do an intro, I'd say. Press enter to continue. So I guess weird house owner is keeping me locked up somewhere in the house. Is that already my blood from when he hit me on the head?
That hurt.
Okay, I can look around. Oh, damn, I hate the dirty windows. Oh, game stuck. Think the game can't handle... Okay, it's back. Couldn't handle the dust.
This bloodstain does not look like it's a result of a banal injury.
Right mouse button to reverse an action. What do you mean reverse? Okay, like I'm looking and then...
Seems fresh. The blood hasn't... This looks like something was being dragged across the bloodstain.
Okay. I thought there was someone standing there. It's fine. Ugh. Damn, I walk slow. I move weird. Is that my phone?
The phone is smashed. No way it's gonna work anytime soon.
Oh, I guess it's mine. Press I to access inventory. Okay, or mouse wheel. Okay, I wanna go back. Oh my god, I move so slow. Empty. Not empty. Hammer! I'm taking a hammer. Can I not, like, keep it? Maybe I'll need that later. I shouldn't have dropped it probably. Okay, can I run? Oh, I can run! Don't know if I like that I can run. Take. What is that? To clamp something. I'm putting that to where I put all my tools. Block. Can I? This looks like. Go away, inventory. This looks like I can. This looks important. It's not. Oh, question.
I might be able to get further through the attic.
Somebody above me. Okay, with what? With what would I get up there? I don't know. Oh, here. Use. Left, right. Okay, I can squeeze stuff in there. I could also do it with this though. Okay, let's walk. Do I have like a flashlight? No, of course not. Of course not. What is this? Poke that thing. Poke. Maybe I can put this in here. Put it here. Okay, keeping you with all my tools. Can I pick this up? No. Someone else? Something else in here? Oh, please, not someone else. Oh, what did I... Stuck. Okay, let's try this.
I can't. There's no door handle.
I can't. There's no door handle. Then I'm going to make a door handle. I'm going to use this. Oh, maybe I need to go out to the attic. Oh, I can knock for help. How am I getting up there? Maybe with a ladder, right? It's a construction site. There must be something that I can climb on. Huh? Up? Ooh, light. Light. Okay, so the little settings wheel is not appearing anywhere. Can't interact with anything.
Why would he hit me and then lock me in here?
That is a very good question. So, let's try out the hammer. Hammer this. No. Hammer this. I cannot hammer anything. Oh, that's where the door handle should go properly. Maybe I can use... no, stupid idea. I have no idea what to do. Why can I do this? And I can't put anything in here. What should I be able to put in here? Snip. I don't know, the cable... Oh, I can pick this.
There's no point doing this at the moment.
No point doing this. What doing what? Poker. Poker for the attic. Poke. Yes. Poke.
It's slipping. I can't turn it by hand.
Slipping, I can't turn it by hand. Then I'm taking that thingy or the... No. Okay. That thingy. Turn. Ah! Up! Up! Up the attic. Ah, fuck.
Shit, it's dark.
It is dark. Proceed to crouch. Mark crouching.
What the hell was that?
I don't know. Thunder. Let's go with thunder. I'm just hoping it was thunder. Can I go in there? No.
There we go.
There we go. You know, maybe I should have taken my tools with me. I don't want to go down there. You know, crazy dude must be somewhere, right? No, go away, phone. I want to look at this. Is that mine? Is this me?
A library card belonging to Helen Woodward. How did it get here?
Yeah, who's that, Helen? Nothing else I can do? Shouldn't I take this with me? I don't know. Evidence? Like, I wanna go back. Did I take it? Ooh, I took it. Okay. And now, no, just let me stand up, please. Okay. If I'm actually going to be fast in this game at some point, I'm pretty sure it's not going to be that easy, because it is pretty tricky to get around in here. Okay. Question mark. Question mark.
It's holding with the wires. It's holding with the wires.
It's holding with the wires. Yeah, then we're going to cut the wires. Oh, it's so dark. 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 Really? I mean, what kind of layout is this? What is this building? I'm guessing it's more than an architect to help. Okay. Let's do some thinky think. Light. Nothing to interact. Ooh, something to interact with. Yes, please. Oh.
It's stuck underneath the beam.
Can I do this more? Okay, can put it like only up and down. Can I like jump? I can jump! Up.
It's stuck underneath the beam.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, what are you? Ah, for the wire. I'm so smart. Where was the wire? Here was the wire. I'm stuck on the floor on nothing. Okay.
The wire cutters are broken. The hinge on that handle should attach.
The hinge.
It's missing.
Should attach. Okay, I'm placing it here. Come to niche later. Nothing in there.
It's holding with the wires.
Yeah, it's holding with the wires. Okay, where's the tiny thing? From the bolt cutter. Probably where I found the bolt cutter. Music, why are you changing? Why? This is not helping. So a little part for the... Oh, what are you? Yeah, I'm taking you. Taking you to the bolt cutter. Yeah. You can interact with objects in front of you. I want to put it here.
The handle is not in place. The handle is not in place.
What? What? The handle is not in place. Ooh. And now, screw. And now cut. And here too. Cutting everything up. Cool. I'd keep that, but it's fine. I'm outside. You know, I would just climb that shit now. Climb.
Whoa. Shit.
Yeah, well, shit indeed. Do I need to hide? No? Who turned it on? Just looking for shit to help me.
The dragging stain again.
Why am I so calm? Why is my voice like, ooh, a blood stain?
I don't like the look of that dark corridor.
Me neither.
Let's see if the light switch is working.
Alright, so let's collect some stuff. There's probably something here to help me with. The fuse box up there. Oh. Hello? Oh no. Hello. I'm out.
Finally out of the house.
I like that. I don't want to go anywhere. I feel like I'm probably not going to make it out to the street. Hold shift while moving to run. Why do I need to run?
Locked.
Okay. Okay, where's creepy dude that is keeping me locked up? I just wanna leave. Please. Pretty please. A letter. Why can't I just... Okay. There's a forest. I just want to go to the forest and I'm out of here. Oh. It's only bushes. Okay. Guess I'm not out of here. What? Yeah, move. What did the knocking? Not sure if I wanna know. This sounds like knocking. This is not okay. Oh. Hello. Just here for a stroll. Just don't want to be killed. Letter! Give it. Subject. Final reminder letter. Dear Mr. Hopkin, this is to inform you that... better. This is to inform you that according to our records, as of 12th July 2001, we still haven't received back the scaffolding or the 3 suspension ladders you borrowed from the Dare Drew construction store on 7th of June this year. Please return the scaffolding within 14 days upon receiving this letter. Should you choose to ignore this appeal, we will be passing this matter to a collection company which will be obliged to forcibly remove the scaffolding from your possession. Maybe they tried, maybe they were here. To cover any fees or penalties occurred by such action will be your sole responsibility. Note, you will not receive any more reminder letters from us. Yours sincerely.
13 July 2001.
No, it's reading it. Okay,
Subject.
I just wrote this. It's fine, it's fine.
Final.
Oh, wait. Okay. Great. What is
Broken.
broken? Ah, okay. Ah, good. That's why I can't pick it up. Okay. I want something to help me, right? I want something for lights. We don't want to go into the dark corridor without lights. What noise? What was that noise? Is that me? Do I do the squeaky sounds? Can I hide? I wanna hide. It was so nice and bright in here, and now I have to go out there. Is it my shadow? It is my shadow. Okay. Let's try this door. No. No. It's fine. It's fine. Just me jumping. Getting a heart attack. Okay. Maybe I should be quiet. Why not? I don't know.
More dark rooms.
More dark rooms. Yeah, I know. Don't know what to do about that. Why is the music creepy? Am I being chased? Is that the I'm being chased music? I just wanna hide. Please let me hide somewhere. I'll just stop being an architect, you know. Being an architect sucks. If this is like shit that can happen to you, I don't want to be an architect.
Why is everything always...
Yeah,
Why is everything always locked?
Why is everything always locked? I don't like it in here. I don't like the music. Maybe I need to go back to... don't like the running. Running is loud. Where did I come from, actually? Ooh. Jump here. I can't jump here. Okay, it's fine. Okay, maybe this was just a safe place, so the game tells me how I can run. Like, is this the... But I did not find anything to help me with the light. Oh, the blood. Yeah, I know. I saw the blood. I know. Go away. Okay, maybe I just didn't look hard enough here. Something. Open! Should I just go back? I'll just... I mean, like, who's upstairs? Who's making all the dust fall? Oh, I can't go...
No way going back through here. I don't even want to go back.
You don't? Like, I'd really like to get something to... Okay, what do I need to open this? Something like... I'd need a tool. So I'm looking for a tool now. It's fine. Or I just go into the very, very dark... Oh, I just turn on the light. Fine. What's the noise? Okay, take. Ooh, got a flashlight. Okay. Why is the music so creepy? What? Okay, the only thing I found here now is the flashlight. And there's nothing much out there that I just saw, so I'm guessing I'll have to now probably... Are those feet? Oh!
What the hell?
Helen!
Shit, she's dead.
I mean, you found a lot of blood, so... Psh, taking whatever this is. Keys. 38
It's
East.
the address of this house. Was she invited here too?
Sketchy letter. Okay, and keys. I want to have the keys. Keys are good. Body. Yeah,
It's
examine.
dust.
It's dust.
Similar to what I found upstairs on the floor. She was being dragged over here through the house.
Okay, was there more to know? No.
I gotta get out of here and call for help.
Yeah, it's maybe a bit late for Helen, but... Wait, there was more? Was there more? Nothing more to know? I'm so sorry, Helen. Did I just... Was there something? Just to be safe, I'm going up here again. Just to be safe. Right, so... Okay, it's just the push that scared me a bit here. Right, so I found keys. Keys to... This was locked, right?
Locked.
Yeah, but I got keys. Two keys. Oh. Ooh. No one
This is
in
the
here.
way out.
This is the way out. This is what I like to hear. I still think it's... I feel like I'm going to get chased like in a second. Ah, what is this? Oh, a ladder! Maybe I should at least try the way out, right? Like, do something! Do something! Open! Ah!
Jesus. This place is scary.
Uh-huh. Can I fit under there? Please? I think I could. It's fine.
Shit, no power. The electric must have tripped with the whole garage.
Okay, but I found the ladder and I found the thingy to place the ladder. I think it was here. So let's just chop. Go up. Up. I feel a bit safe up here. It's fine. Oh, I'm a climber. Okay. Jump. I want on the roof. I don't want on the roof apparently, so... I'm out.
Jesus!
I'm not out.
Get away from me!
Get away! I'm running. Is this running? Is this all I can run? Let me run faster.
There it is!
Yes.
This is Whitewater Police. Stay where you are. You're under arrest.
It's fine. It's just take me out of here.
Get down on your knees.
But I didn't do anything!
Get on your
Yeah,
knees now.
I'm blameless. Ah, that's what I...
You are under arrest.
Ah, it's fine. I'm safe. Everything good, everything good.
This is what happened. He was chasing me with a rod in his hand. He must have hidden when he saw the police cars pulling up to the gate.
Mr. Malcolm, we searched the yard thoroughly and didn't find any evidence suggesting there was another man.
No. He was there. He was the owner who called me.
The former owners sold the house due to personal financial problems 2 weeks ago. They moved to a different town on the other side of the country. The private company who owns it now proved all their employees were off-site, having a team building activity that night.
How could you not find evidence of him? I'm telling you, he was there.
I heard you. Our officers got a phone call from one of the neighbors reporting lights coming on in the house and suspicious person moving on site. They gave us your description. They never saw another man.
But
How
I don't
could
know
that
how.
be? This doesn't make any sense.
Let's cut the crap.
What?
Does make pretty clear sense to me. I have to say that I honestly don't believe any part of your bullshit story that you're giving me here. Everything suggests that you murdered that woman.
No,
I found the victim's blood on your clothes and your hands. You had the victim's wallet in your pocket.
Wait.
And the officers caught you fleeing the crime scene. You, no one else. Guess whose fingerprints match the ones we found on the victim's body? Huh? I don't know why you murdered that woman, but I'll guarantee you're never getting out. You're going down, Mr. Blameless.
Is that my name? That's it. I do feel though that that is very nice music for that kind of game. Okay. So pretty nice game. I thought there'd be more, just because there were so many more rooms and so many things I feel that I didn't see. But I'm happy I didn't die. Everything turned out well. Like, at least I didn't get killed.
That's how it all began for me.
How it began?
And it was far from over.
Oops. Oh, okay. What do you mean continue? Continue on what? Nah. Let's just try. Press enter to continue. No, I'm back. No, I didn't want to go back. Ooh. Okay, this is just the last part. Okay. So.
Jesus.
Okay, let's see what happens if he catches me. Oh, no, Rodman, no! Okay, that would have been the alternative ending. Okay, it didn't actually look that creepy. It actually looked kind of nice. Oh, I gotta do that again. I can do that. Scared. Ah! Other direction, run.
Get away from me!
Yes, please. So, police, now you must see him. He's like right behind me. Okay, I've got to be fast first and then a bit slow.
Jesus.
Okay. Oh, I can do that.
Get away from me.
I can run. Come on.
There he is! This is
Stand me.
Lightwater Police. Stay where you are.
It's fine.
You're under arrest.
Yeah, I get it.
Get down
So-
on your knees.
But I didn't do anything.
There's no
Get
good
on.
ending. Fine. But yeah, all in all, pretty nice game, and I would really recommend it. I think it's free on Steam, so let's play it, and thank you for joining, and bye!